Good evening, Sir Marwen. I'm April May Tinglasan from BSIT 3D. So for this final requirement, record a screen capture presentation showing at least 70% of progress of your prototype. Explain the user flow and any completed panels required for the final project. Make sure to showcase your animations, prototype interactions, micro interactions, and other key features. Use of studio to record including both your face on video and a voice over narration. You are required to wear your type A school uniform during the recording. Upload the video to your personal YouTube account with the title UAD 101 Final Project. Attach your XD file and submit the YouTube link on Orange App or on or before the deadline. Now I'm going to show my final requirement, but this is just at least 70%. This is the user side, website and user side, web page and user page. This is the components, the sign up. This is the share this, the see more, 4.5, 4.5, edit profile, and the arrow button, the icons. These are the icons, and this is the see more, all fashion. This is actually a shoe velocity kicks, which is a order shoe order. Now let's run this. When you sign up, click first. This is a user sign up. When you click the login, it will go to the login. Forget password, send email. Click there's no interaction first there, but when you click the men, see more, the shop, products. These are the products, reviews, this is when you click the products, it will show the products and reviews. That's all for the user side. And this is the design of Rogelio Mende, and this is my design. Wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. Wait a second. This is the admin. When you click the login, there's a hover. When you click the forget password, it will as you can see, there's an animation here on the velocity kicks panel. Please check your email for instruction to reset your password. Click OK and then log in. It will go to the admin dashboard. Welcome admin. There's a hover here. I did that, and you can click the admin profile. You will go here. There's also a hover, upload photo, change password, save profile, and products. These are the products. Category running shoes, all shoes, all out of storage, a new product. There is no a new product prototype yet. That will be the one I'm gonna work on too. And then the orders. This is the orders. There's a hover here, hover, and the pending ship. These are the order ID. VK or 102346. Lucas Tiglao. The customer, and the item is Street Flex, and the total is 17. Shipped. And as for the customer, wait, this is the wait, I'm prototyping the customer. Let's go to the customer. This is the customer, and then the reports. This is search product last 30 days, export report, the product performance, EST, sticker boost, sandals, authentic, mobile app, traffic insights, web 70% for total visits 250,000, mobile 30%, we found statistic 1,500, value $75,000, and negative 10% versus last month. That's all for the admin. When I click the logout, it will go here again to the admin login. And for this web, this is the web page. This is almost 100% too. When I click this one, it will show the response runner shoes, men, women, kids, there's no these are the functions of it, and it's also scrollable. Black Friday sees the savings this Black Friday. This is the discount with exclusive deals on footwear, clothes, and accessories. That's all. And this is the mood board again. So I'm gonna show you the mood board with what I based on. This is the color palette: blue, red, white. Sneakers, running, casual. The search bar, UI elements and icons, typography. And the title of it is Velocity Kicks. And the tagline is Unleash Your Potential. That's all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching.